Famula. Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Just wanted to take a quick moment here, say happy holidays from everybody here at the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Tina, myself, Baxter, Kobe, and if he was still with us, Duke. All really appreciate everybody's viewership and support along this journey, and we just wanted to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a good New Year. Something else I wanted to go over was, how can we use this hobby for our family and friends? For me, this is just a hobby. I'm not an astrophysicist or an astronomer. This is just something I like to do. I like making pretty pictures, like geeking out a little bit, so it is what it is. But how can we use this hobby for our family and friends? Well, if you've seen a couple of the videos, one labeled Land and Sky and one labeled Emerson Sky, one of the things I like to do is try to make something personalized for our grandsons, and whatever occasion I can come up with. So one of those, here we have Land and Sky, or excuse me, Emerson Sky. It's a canvas print. Let me get that squared up here, and it's the star trail from the video. I think it was the second night after he was born, or the next night. The night he was born was very cloudy, so I had to delay it one day. But this was something that hopefully he'll appreciate when he grows up, that I took the time to capture the images, create the photo, printed both the canvas and a metal print. There's another canvas at the family house for him, and then we also have Land and Sky for when the first grandchild was born, Landon. So again, we've got the canvas here, and behind me we have Emerson Sky and Land and Sky in metal print. This is a very special wall for myself. Up here we have my grandfather's flag. He's a veteran of World War II. This was also out of my grandparents' house when they passed. That's one of the things I kept because it's a constant reminder of, the happy days when I was with my grandfather, playing cards, playing with my train set, whatever the case may be. And, it's just a little tribute wall to him. And now my grandsons, hopefully I can live up to the example that he set. So, we got our recliner here, got Grandpa overlooking us, and the grandkids here. So, it just one way that, I like to try to incorporate this hobby into the life and make something special for the family members. So, do what you want to do. Hopefully you can come up with something that works for you as well. And 2019's been a pretty interesting year here at the channel. We've grown a couple hundred subscribers, gained a little bit of gear, and as you saw in yesterday's video, we installed the OAG and the guider, and tomorrow's video will be the first use, and we'll see how that goes. No spoilers. So yeah, other than that, just a lot of learning and growing and getting my process down for the use of PixInsight, Sequence Generator Pro, PhD2 guiding, you know, all the little planning things as well, using Stellarium and photographer's ephemeris, and just all the good stuff to try to incorporate everything in the planning and the imaging sessions, and then the pre-processing and post-processing. It's been an amazing year. Learned a lot, and you know, it's the images I'm doing now are definitely better than when I first started. So it's been a good year for growth in my imaging and my image creation. You know, pretty pictures, so to speak. So yeah, it's been a good year. 2019's been a really good year. Tina and I got married. You know, another grandchild was born. So, you know, aside from the one little downside of having to lose Duke and make that decision, 2019's been an awesome year. So, want to say thanks everybody for subscribing, everybody for their comments, their questions. It really helps drive me forward, keeping this channel going. And, you know, sometimes you guys pose questions that I definitely don't know the answer to, but it forces me to do some research and, you know, better understand the subject matter, not only for myself, but then what I can present to you guys. So thanks for all those questions and comments. Thanks for your likes. Thanks for your subscribership. Thanks for your viewership. And I really, really appreciate it. So, as always, clear skies, happy holidays. Have a good one. Thank you. Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you, clear skies. Remember, Duke.